Hey everybody, so I'm going to go ahead and do the review for you on this video. I'm going to have two videos. The first video will be the front page, second video will be the second page. Alright, hopefully after watching this video, it'll clear up the questions for you. But if you have more questions, please feel free to reach out. Again, you can take the test on Friday or Monday. So hopefully you guys are not feeling too overwhelmed for my class. I keep hearing that some teachers in other classes are overwhelming you guys. Hopefully I am not doing that. If I am, tell me. Alright? I'm trying not to. I'm trying to make this as easy as possible for you guys. Alright, so the first 6 questions, we want to graph these conic sections. They're either an ellipse, a circle, or a hyperbola. So I kept getting a question, how do you know which is which? Well, the hyperbola is the easiest one to see. If you see a minus sign, it's a hyperbola. Alright? So number 2 and number 5 is a hyperbola. If you see a plus sign, it's either an ellipse or a circle. If there's no fractions, it's a circle. So number 4 is a circle. Number 6 is a circle. Numbers 1 and 3 are ellipses because there's plus signs and the fractions. So that's how you can figure out what type of conic section is it. So number 1 is an ellipse. So it's an ellipse. It's a horizontal ellipse because the larger number is underneath the x. So it's going to be longer horizontal. The center is the origin. So the center is 0, 0. And now a squared is equal to 25. So a is 5. So my vertices are 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units from the center. So let's write those down. My vertices are going to be 5, 0, and negative 5, 0. And my co-vertices, I'm going to use b. b squared is 9. That makes b 3. My co-vertices are 3 units above the center, 3 units below the center. So here is my ellipse. So that was 0, 3, and 0, negative 3. So there's my ellipse. Again, I knew it was an ellipse because of the plus sign and the fractions. Number 2 is a hyperbola. So the center is negative 3, positive 2. Negative 3, positive 2. So negative 3, positive 2. There is my center. This hyperbola opens left and right because the x is first. It's x minus y. Since the x is on the left, it's left and right. So the vertices, since a squared is 9, a is 3, my vertices are 3 units to the right and 3 units, 3 units to the left. So the hyperbola is going to look like this. But in order to make the actual curves, I need those asymptotes. The asymptotes, the slope of the asymptotes are going to be b over a. b over a plus or minus because there's 2 of them. So b is 2, right? b squared is 4, so b is 2. So my asymptotes have slope b over a, 2 over 3. So from the center, because the asymptotes pass through the center, I do slope of positive 2/3, so that's up 2 over 3, and down 2 left 3. And then, so here is one asymptote. Make sure you draw a nice long dashed line. The negative one has slope negative 2/3. That's up 2 left 3, down 2 right 3. So let me draw in this asymptote. So now those are my vertices, and I know that they have to hug the lines. So there is one branch, and there is the other branch. Gotcha. So these asymptotes are very important. Let's write down the vertices are, that vertice right there is 0, 2, and that vertice right there is negative 6. Ooh, 2. I said 0, 2, and I wrote 0, 3. It's 0, 2. This is 0, 2. And that one's negative 6, 2. And my asymptotes, the equation, they pass through the center. they pass through the center. The center is -3, 2. So you can write you can write y minus 2 equals plus or minus. The slope was 2/3, and then x plus 3. This is just point slope form, if you remember from Algebra 1, point slope form of an equation of a line. You plug in the point and the slope. Number 3 is an ellipse. Number 3 is an ellipse. The center is 3, -3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This ellipse is vertical because the larger number's under the y. So my vertices are above and below. A squared 25, so A is 5. So 5 units above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Co-vertices are left and right. B squared is 4, so B is 2. 2 units to the right, 2 units to the left, and there is my ellipse. So my vertices are going to be 3, 2. This point is 3, 2, and this point is 3, -8. My co-vertices are going to be, this point is 1, -3, and this point here is 5, -3. Number 4, easy one. That's just a circle. Circle centered at 3, -4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. The radius is 9. R squared is 9, so R is 3. So 3, 1, 2, 3 units to the right. 1, 2, 3 units up. 1, 2, 3 units to the left. 1, 2, 3 units down. And there is my circle. So centered at 3, -4, and the radius is 3. Number 5, hyperbola. Centered at -4, 3. Remember, it's HK. H goes with X. So the center is -4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. -4, 3 is the center. This hyperbola opens up and down because the y is first. Y minus x. So it's going to go up and down. A squared is 4, so A is 2. So 2 units up, 2 units down are the vertices. So this vertice is -4, 5. And that vertice is -4, 1. And now I got to draw the asymptotes. The slopes of the asymptotes are going to be plus and minus a over b, because the y is first. Well, what's b? Well, b squared is 1. There's no the denominator here is 1. B squared is 1, so that makes b 1. So a over b, a was 2, 2 over 1, so plus or minus 2. The slopes of those asymptotes are +2 and -2, or 2 over 1. So from the center, again, start with the center, slope of 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, down 2, left 1. Here is 1 asymptote. Now -2 over 1, so that's up 2, left 1, down 2, right 1. So here's another asymptote. And remember, it opens up and down because the y is first. So there's one branch and another branch. Again, you need those asymptotes before you can make the branches, so you know how wide or skinny the actual branches are. So those asymptotes, the equation is going to be y minus 3 equals plus or minus 2 x plus 4 is the equation of those asymptotes. Number 6, circle. So the center 2, 0, 2, 0, radius 6. So 6 units to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units down. And here is my circle. Centered at 2, 0, radius 6. I'm going to stop the video now. Part 2 will be the back page.